In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Notepad. If you want a quick way to generate or draft text directly inside Notepad, this built-in Copilot feature can save you time. Before we begin, keep in mind that this option is only available if your version of Microsoft Copilot supports it through an active subscription. If you do not see the feature, that is likely the reason. To get started, open Notepad on your desktop. You can launch it the usual way from your computer and wait for the blank document window to appear. Starting with an empty Notepad file makes it easier to focus on the tool and test how Copilot works without distractions. If you already have text open, that is fine too. But for a first try, a blank page is usually the simplest option. Once Notepad is open, press Ctrl and Q on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut opens the Copilot prompt area inside Notepad. If nothing happens right away, make sure Notepad is the active window and try the shortcut again. Keyboard shortcuts only work when the correct app is selected, so that small detail matters. After the prompt box appears, type in the kind of content you want Copilot to create. Be as clear and specific as possible so you get a better result. For example, you can ask it to write a short paragraph, draft a professional message, summarize an idea, or create content in a specific tone. The more context you give, the more useful the generated text will usually be. If your first result is too vague, too long, or not quite the style you wanted, you can adjust your wording and try again with a more precise prompt. This is a good place to be intentional with your instructions. Mention the format, the purpose, and the tone you want. For instance, instead of asking for a note, you could ask for a friendly and concise note about a project update. Small prompt improvements often make a big difference in the output. And that's really the process. Open Notepad, use Ctrl and Q to bring up Copilot, and then type the content. Request you want in the prompt box. As long as your subscription includes access to the feature, you should be able to use it to speed up everyday writing tasks directly in Notepad. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get started with Microsoft Copilot in Notepad.